TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Dow Industrial's down 8. You get the Nasdaq off 6. S&P's are down 1. Gold contracts up $2.60, trading at $1,229 an ounce. We have silver up 20 cents at $16.47 an ounce. Copper is trading up 3 pennies at $2.11 a pound. We got light sweet crude up 12 cents at $49.69 a barrel. Bonds. We have the 10-year note up 4 ticks, 129.19. 30-year bond up a half a point, 164.03. King dollar's getting crushed, folks. See ya, don't want to be ya. King dollar's down 300 ticks, 95.05 with volume. King dollar already, we're talking about 10 o'clock in the morning, has already done more volume than it did all day yesterday. We're going south on King dollar. Metals are going north. Euro's trading at $1.11, and you got the yen trading at 109. We go over and we take a look at the S&Ps. This is what you have happening. You got to remember, we're coming into Memorial Day. You're coming into window dressing. Bottom line, the SPYs yesterday, what they did do is that we got to the $209.77. The April high out here is $210.92. You know, we'll see whether it can get tagged. What we have out here today is that we haven't got over the highs yet. What I'd actually like to see is I'd like to see it get over the highs. Bottom line is that this wants to tag that April 20th high once again, I suspect. That's in the SPYs. Now, the NDX 100, folks, bottom line, had an expansion of volume as you moved higher. Right now, it's a sideways move, but I do expect we're going to see at least the 3Qs hit the 109.57 once again. Now, that's coming right into the gap where it gapped down from the 21st and 22nd of April. It looks to me like once that test gets done, that will be it, meaning we'll go south more than likely after or the middle of next week sometime. Small caps is the same deal. Small caps had a huge contraction of volume. I mean, a monster too. You're talking about it was going into 33 million. We had done 41 million, which was great on Tuesday rather. But what does happen is that when you do a huge amount of volume before you come into the swing and then give it up in spades, which the small caps did. We went from 41 million down to 26 million. That is a problem. Why? All the buying power came out of the market before you got into the swing point where the market talks, walks, and squawks. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold rejected lower price yesterday. Had lighter volume. Going topside out here, go sideways out here today. You're going to build some cause for higher price. Gold right now is at $1227.20. This is the August contract. We rolled yesterday. Bottom line is that this is still in the higher range. I expect you're going to make that run up to the higher levels. And what we did have yesterday is that those commodity stocks moved, and the commodity stocks actually were showing that the dollar wasn't going to be able to hold price because right across many different commodity equities, they start taking off topside. What you also had was the bonds. The bond market, folks, when we were up 1.5% plus 1% yesterday, 2.5%, and bonds did not get croaked, is telling you what? Is telling you, guess what? These bonds want higher price, lower yield, in the face of the Federal Reserve saying we're going up on rates. Well, guess what? The market is saying you're not going up on rates, and there's something that's laying out there because these notes and bonds just continue to want higher price. So it's very unusual when you come down and when you go up 2.5% and the notes don't get hit. King dollar is confirming it out here this morning. King dollar is down over 300 ticks, and you get big volume coming in with King dollar. We've done 13,000 contracts thus far, and all day yesterday we only did 11,000. So King dollar is not hanging on to this 95.40 area. We're at 95.01 right now. King dollar wants lower price. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by EverBank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how EverBank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? EverBank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? EverBank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. EverBank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. EverBank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.